Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable split screen on Opera GX. It's quite simple. From the home menu, click on the Opera icon on the top left corner. Then click on settings. You can also use the shortcut from the keyboard, which is Alt+P. So once you've gotten here, click on privacy and security. Scroll all the way down until you see advanced. Then click on advanced. Then scroll all the way down until you see split screen. Now turn it on. Now what it does is that you'll be able to work with two tabs at the same time using split screen. You can create a split screen by dragging a tab over your active tab. It's as simple as that. For example, let's say I want to do that. This is it. Okay, it says locked. Let me unlock it first of all. I pinned it, let me unpin it now. Let's see. Okay, I haven't enabled that, so let's go back to the normal. I've enabled the split screen. So this is the active tab. So if I enable the drag, it's supposed to work. It's just moving. Okay. Whatever reason mine isn't working, or maybe I'm doing it wrong. Anyway, so just make sure you've enabled this, and then that's it. Hope you found the video. Please let me know how it works for you. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.